injustice तो हो रहा है इसमें से, means you are compromising on justice. So anybody who is indulging in corruption, he is compromising on justice, number one.
तो
मैं इसी में let me tell you, जैसे अभी एक प्रोजेक्ट है, इसमें so much money is given for a project. इसमें सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स इंजीनियर मिलके खा लिए हैं और पॉलिटिशियन मिलके खा लिए. इनमें जो सोसाइटी को इंजस्टिस तो हो गया है. सपोज उसमें 100 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट है, सपोज उसमें पैसे खा ले रहे हैं, मीन्स यू आर डूइंग इंजस्टिस टू सोसाइटी डायरेक्टली.
तो सर जैसे आरटीआई एक्ट है, ये सारे एक्ट्स हैं जैसे राइट टू इन्फॉर्म,
ये एक्ट इज ओनली ट्राइंग टू एक्सपोज समथिंग बट इज नॉट गिविंग ए करेक्टिव मेजर. आप क्या बताएंगे सर यहाँ ठीक नहीं हुआ, बाद में करेक्शन करने वाला कौन है? गवर्नमेंट ही करना है, ये एजेंसी ही करना है. सपोज पुलिस स्टेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ, आप आरटीआई में कुछ लेके आए, बाद में कमिश्नर को कंप्लेंट करेंगे, कमिश्नर इज करप्ट, एनी करप्शन, ही विल नॉट गेट जस्टिस. सो ट्रांसपेरेंसी इज ओनली वन मेथड ऑफ एक्सपोजिंग समथिंग. नाउ आरटीआई आने के बाद कुछ तो एक्सपोज हो रहा है, बट दैट्स नॉट करेक्टिंग अ सिस्टम एनी टाइम, इट्स फेलिंग एट सम प्लेस. Unless the people who are in authority are forced to do as per certain norms in a transparent way, then only is possible. See, जब तक ये they are not willing to take action, I mean, you may have any number of laws. See, that's why I said you pass every law with an intention that it will prevent something in the future. But if the enforcement itself is delayed and then it is they have a skewed way of doing something like that. Then it will not end up with any result. So, suppose prevention, if there is no will at the top to really control corruption, then having a law, there are so many forces. For everything is that. So, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा with that? There may be so many factors. I mean, you and me may not be knowing about it. Even in top posts in some departments, some government departments, like CBI or something like that. There are a number of eligible people. वो सबको छोड़ के एक फालतू आदमी को वहाँ बिठाए. It happened in the past.
I say one for that.
उसको समाव लाके ऊपर बिठा दिए हैं because he will oblige the people.
तो इसके against जाने
लोग जाएंगे, कितने लोग कोर्ट में जाके फाइट करते हैं, और that will take some more time. They don't want to antagonize the government. अभी senior post connected, they become very mature.
Just like example for Kiran Bedi.
If like a commissioner police, government has, see, executive authority government में है.
हाँ, right, executive authority.
हाँ, so government has certain, how to run a system is within the, whom to post, there are some norms, but think suppose they don't want this person, so they can't, they use a discretion for that. But in that discretion, suppose they really sideline somebody who is not really senior but competent, then there's a problem. Like Andhra Pradesh भी वही हुआ था ना, डीजीस को बदल दिए हैं. हाँ. So Supreme Court had ultimately turned down.
CVC. Already CVC, Chief Vigilance Thomas साहब को.
So ultimately Supreme Court directions भी आए थे. Supreme Court High Court orders जो भी था उसमें से. So courts are monitoring at some place. But how many people will go to court? When will the cases be decided? The judicial system also is heavily burdened with cases. So जब तक disposal fast नहीं होगा कहीं भी, इसमें prompt. So prompt stage पर आने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? I mean, it's a huge thing. Even the normal cases also, there are 3 crore cases pending in the courts. So, and then many are added every year. So when will the cases be disposed of? जब public को justice कब मिलेगा? So justice unless is given, as I said repeatedly, no, fast track को कितने create करेंगे फिर? आप 3 crore cases कैसे dispose करेंगे? So there, other means are also required. Means, see, you have adopted one method where all criminal cases, all the things have to go to court only. You have removed the powers from panchayats. Panchayats can't decide criminal cases. So criminal cases के लिए आप specialize कर दिया इसमें से. So now, if all the cases, petty cases, let's suppose, small cases, they are all decided at the panchayat level or some similar bodies. I mean, country has how many panchayats? Law enforcement and this system, government agencies के लिए. Society has a responsibility. वहाँ मेरे ख्याल में, if the panchayats, such bodies are empowered to dispose of smaller cases. अभी 3 crore cases में, my feeling is that at least 2 crore cases might be simple cases. Those simple cases when you disposed at that level only. उसमें क्या है, not only disposal, आगे भी prevention हो जाता है. So many cases they won't register cases, they will only settle कर देंगे. 2 families के बीच में झगड़ा हो रहा है.
हाँ, तो उसको सेटल कर देना.
इनसे अभी क्या हो रहा है, वो क्रिमिनल केस बना रहा है, वो ट्रेसपास हो गया. Suppose you will come to my place, झगड़ा हुआ है. Naturally, I mean, I don't agree what you see. Then I'll register a case against you, trespass का. Trespass case will linger on for some years. They'll be pending in the court. If the panchayat decides the next day, दोनों को बुला दिया, भाई ये क्या है, इसमें आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, settle, you have to live together, समझौता कर देंगे. Otherwise, let's suppose the case is also tried immediately. सारे विटनेस को वहीं बुलाएंगे, कौन ट्रेसपास किया, ठीक है, इन्होंने ट्रेसपास किया, इनको इतना सजा दे देंगे. So the case is finished.
Or passed by the leaders. A leader also.
It's not that all the leaders are corrupt. Again, there are some good people in that also.
Right.
But they may be in a minority. So they can't pass the law. So if, the party, it's like, suppose one party has some good people, some bad people. But even the good people also have to toe the line of the others. So they think in many ways before they pass the law. Yes, a strong law is a necessity. The present law has many loopholes. It needs to be covered. जब इसको कवर करेंगे, एनफोर्समेंट कैसे होगा? एनफोर्समेंट अगेन विल बी अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ओनली. सो गवर्नमेंट में जब तक विल नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट मतलब जो भी लीडर, हेड ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग अबाउट एनी इंडिविजुअल्स, एज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन का जो भी हेड है, इफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन हेड डज नॉट हैव द रियल विल टू कंट्रोल गवर्नमेंट, लाइक कमिश्नर ऑफ दिल्ली, लेट्स सपोज he decides today, suppose he is empowered, and then he decides today that no, I will bring corruption to zero. He should be given all the support. Then do you think crime it can occur in Delhi? I mean, corruption in Delhi police will not be controlled? No, I don't believe that. It is possible, but a will is required. Like now, the state government, either if the
तो सर पॉसिबल कैसे, अगर ठीक है हम मानते हैं
top man is a target of the anti-corruption agency.
No, sir, मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है.
See, it's a matter of survival. If somebody is not controlling crime, he should be. I mean, suppose there is a system that he is the target. He is not controlling things within his system. Like again, a human tendency being that. Now think of one engineer. He is corrupt. Suppose anti-corruption law is such, agencies are such, proper agencies are in place. So they target this person. Every engineer, executive engineer, at that level, he becomes the target. So that, he has a fear that if he makes money, he will be caught. Either through income tax, through this one, or through money, in some means. Through sting operations, or whatever is done, he is caught. If he has a fear that he will be caught, and if he is not making money, do you think he will allow his subordinates to make money? A person who is not allowed to make money at the top will not allow his subordinates to make money. SHO को देख लीजिए. SHO को पैसा डर है कि पैसा पकड़ जाएगा. Unless the subordinates are protected somewhere else. सारे suppose SHO has 100 people with him. 100 people में, and he is a boss and complete boss. If SHO is not making money, and then suppose he is in such a situation that he is not allowed to make money. He has a fear. Then he will not allow his subordinates. Any complaint against the fellow, he'll immediately see that action is taken against him. अभी क्या pattern is है ना? See, one thing I am convinced about: no organized crime in the world can survive without the support of these agencies. In any crime, पुलिस का corruption तो primary organized crime से होता है. Parking mafia है, is prostitution, और such illegalities और encroachments. जो भी एनक्रोचमेंट चल रहे हैं, अभी एनक्रोचमेंट के लिए द फेलो पीपल हु आर एनक्रोचिंग दे आर पेइंग मनी. इफ a strong action is taken against SHO for any encroachment, he will see that the beat fellow does not violate the law. So it's a matter of only implementation. See, at least I am convinced with all my experience that if the Senapati is targeted, the Sena will automatically shoot.
If any person encroached or that SHO not take any prompt action against that culprit, where should I appeal?
See, in the present system, there is a hierarchy is provided for that only. See, SHO के ऊपर तो DCP, additional DCP होगा, तो ACP है, then again DCP है. But again, if they are all protecting each other, I have no comments to offer. But we are expecting an ideal situation where they are not protected. People at the top are not protected. So that is not a patronage that according. Yes, there may be false complaints against some officers, some people like that, because he is taking action. It is possible. That it should be guarded action. When we are taking action, it should be very impartial. So I will tell you, there was one case, जहाँ one old couple came to me. उनका प्रॉपर्टी छीनने का कोशिश हो रहा था. कोई कंप्लेंट हुआ था. कंप्लेंट होने के बाद नीचे मैंने एसएचओ वहाँ सारे लोग मिल गए. इनके खिलाफ केस बना दिया लैंड ओनर्स के ऊपर, ताकि आपने जो खरीदा है 25 साल पहले वहाँ उस टाइम पर चीटिंग हुआ, 25 साल पहले चीटिंग हुआ, कोई कंप्लेंट उस वहाँ ऐसा एक फॉल्स कंप्लेंट बना के इनके खिलाफ केस बना दिया. दे केम टू मी, देन आई लुक्ड एट द होल थिंग. इनफैक्ट दे हैड द परचेज, जो परचेज किया था उसका डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे. 25 साल से वो लैंड टैक्स टैक्सेस जो भी देना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाटर, हाउस टैक्स, वो सारे दे रहे हैं. If they were cheated 25 years back, or they had cheated the real seller जो भी है उस टाइम पर करना है, तो then case should have been registered 25 years back, not now. These people are registered based on that. Change that आपके पास forged documents हैं. So my inquiry is very clear. I said SHO and the concerned ACP or some people, they are all involved in this whole matter. It's a land credit case of the police, and action should be taken against them, and this case should be dropped. I gave my finding very clear. But what happened? The person who decides on my report, he sends it to one inspector of our deeper inquiry court. Some inspector of some branch, crime branch. It means the intention is very clear to protect those criminals in police uniform.
Yes.
I call these people as criminals in police uniform. Whoever is corrupt, I call him a criminal only. And society should start calling them a criminal. My strong plea is that. Through donation, that's the best way. Second thing is bhogam. Bhogam means you enjoy. आपको एंजॉय करने के लिए आपको कितने पैसे चाहिए? कुछ लिमिटेड है ना. आप उससे ज़्यादा एंजॉय करेंगे, मैं खाएंगे,
तो
आपको नहीं आपका तबीयत खराब हो जाएगा.
Diseases are the proof.
And then you indulge in more kind of wrong things, again vices बन जाते हैं. So it will again adversely affect something. So you will ultimately destroy yourself by consuming such thing. And third option, as I said, is completely destruction. और उसको नाशनम है. One is accepting dhanam, other is bhogam, and third is nashanam. So nashanam means the inevitable thing. Either you destroy yourself with that money, or your children will get destroyed, or even the further generation also, property itself will get destroyed. क्योंकि सारे divisions होंगे, courts में चले जाएंगे, and they'll start fighting over the property. सभी destruction का ही है.
Very good, sir.
So, isn't that? If that is the ultimate thing, then why should you commit all the crimes and crimes against society? You don't need it. I hope you agree with me.
I can understand fully. Yeah.
So this is what is the philosophy of life. And people who
Very
think
simple.
properly, they will definitely not do things.
3 words: dhanam. Second,
Dhanam, bhogam,
bhogam,
nashanam.
nashanam. Yeah.
3 steps of the.
Very
This
good,
is how
sir.
the
Very
wealth is
nice.
disposed
Very
of.
nice.
ठीक
Yes.
है.
Very nice.
और हमारे फैमिली में कोई पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे. We have a very small family. But yes, my father was a small time job, but I still remember his words. That's why I repeatedly say them. The childhood में जो influence आते हैं, he used to say hard work and hard earned money is one thing we should enjoy. Nothing, a penny beyond that. जो बचपन में इस तरह के इन्फ्लुएंस आते हैं ना, वो ना आसानी से नहीं जाते हैं, वो आपके फाइबर में बन जाता है.
ये सर ये फीलिंग ओन
उसको अपना लेते हैं ना.
हाँ.
सो जो हम लोग अपना लेते हैं कोई प्रिंसिपल्स को, देन बियॉन्ड दैट एवरीथिंग इज हार्ड वर्क. ओनली जो हार्ड वर्क किया, तो मैं आई वाज रैंकर ऑल थ्रू. पैसा पढ़ाई के लिए पैसे कभी आई डिडंट हैव इनफ मनी आल्सो. बस 2 पेयर्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स, स्कूल जाता था, शाम को वॉश कर दिया, फिर रख दिया. फिर
From which school, sir? Studying
म्यूनसिपल स्कूल्स में पढ़ता था मैं.
in which state?
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स इन आंध्र प्रदेश.
आंध्र.
Andhra Pradesh.
सो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में, गवर्नमेंट मतलब म्यूनसिपल स्कूल्स होते हैं
Yes,
नॉर्मल.
yes.
मैंने पढ़ाई वहीं
After that in
पूरा
college?
तेलुगु मीडियम में पढ़ा मैंने.
College.
कॉलेज भी वहीं उसी कॉलेज में उसी एरिया में पढ़ा था. देन यूनिवर्सिटी किया था. I was doing my PhD and then joined PIAS service.
Your first joining in?
Pardon?
First joining in the year?
It's less. I joined the Goa Police, from the same UPSC exams only.
Yeah.
I landed in Goa Police Service. So I was there in 82. I was there. 82 में ज्वाइन किया था, लेकिन उसके बाद
82 बैच के सर होंगे आप तो, बैचेस?
हाँ,
82 बैचेस।
82 बैच में आ गया था. Then I subsequently got into this Almut cadre, and then I worked in CBI, and then I worked in different places. But एक ही था. Say, one is, I believe in innovation. Say, once, I'm fortunate actually. When I was a young officer, one IGP was there. I went to him with some advice before I took over a posting. He simply said, you remember 2 words. Beyond that, everything will come to you through experience. He gave me 2 words, but now I think again and again, they are real golden words. He said, give justice. Give justice means you apply these words in any part of your life, any walk of your life. You find, anything, see, you maintain a balance. Give justice means that, suppose you are in a government job, salary जो भी आ रहा है, you have to give enough justice to that, you have to perform. But I perform more than what is
Accountability and responsibility for the, against the money. जो हमको पैसा मिलता है उसके प्रति, हाँ, उसके
Absolutely, because this has given me tremendous pleasure. Because when suppose I am working in a field, so in that, suppose narcotics is an area, so I can work passionately. When I did a lot of work with a passion, because अभी तक गोवा में record है जो number of kilos seized, number of people convicted, it's because I did it with a passion. Every day I catch more people, I get encouraged. So naturally now I get encouraged. Yes, I am able to do something for society. So for some time I could do that. Similarly, management experiments, I could do many experiments, छोटे मोटे. I never asked that हमारे पास सामान नहीं है, आदमी नहीं है, जो भी है उससे हम we can create wonders. So we can create wonders. So I create from wealth from waste. That is the concept I use normally. It's a known concept, but thing is जहाँ भी waste है, मैं इसी को wealth convert कर देता हूँ. So and then like a puzzle, because I'm a scientist basically. So any kind of I have an analysis. So anything which is a puzzle, I don't like to keep it as a puzzle. I'd like to solve it.
You think the solution, not think that.
Satisfaction comes from creation.
Right.
Creation comes from innovation, and innovation comes from out of the box thinking. If everybody thinks in this way, I always think in a different way. I don't follow the same method which others follow. So I follow my own method. So that is out of the box thinking. So when is the out of the box thinking, you will automatically go for creation. So creation gives you satisfaction. Creation may be a solution, creation may be a new thing. So it gives, so every job, every place you go, you get a different satisfaction. So it gives happiness, that's all. So in fact, one is helping the society, people who are aggrieved. So in fact, every profession gives a different kind of a person satisfaction to anybody. And once it so happened, I asked a nurse, are you satisfied with the profession? She said, yes, I'm satisfied. I asked her, you tell me, which is the happiest moment? So there are ups and downs. Which is the happiest moment? But without thinking, she simply told me, a pregnant lady जब hospital में आती है, she is with all pains. So she is in pains and naturally her religiously. When she is leaving with a child, she is very satisfied, she is happy. I feel very happy to look at that woman, a girl, who is going with a child happy. The smile and that glow in that female's face, it gives me tremendous pleasure. Yes, rightly said actually. Like a doctor, if a mareez aa gaya unke paas unse, then he will, after the treatment, so any patient, he feels that I've done my job, he feels satisfied. Likewise, police also, something is there. Once you know that there's a problem, you treat it, you solve it, you'll be satisfied. So this is a big opportunity. I'm fortunate that whatever service I've got, whatever placement like that, it gives, because for me, I hate that bad money. So what all is left for me in the service is the service satisfaction. So I got tremendous satisfaction.
Thank you.